If you are looking for a cheap way to run Facebook ads for followers as a beginner in 2024, this video is for you. All you need to do is to have a good video and a good write-up for your advert to generate more engagement on the ads. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So we're going to open Facebook Ads Manager. Immediately you open it, what you need to do is to come to the campaign. Under the campaign, click on the green icon that says create. Click on create. Next, select engagement. Engagement is where you have Facebook ads for followers. So next, click on continue. Then next, select manual. So next, click on continue. So next, give your advert a name so you can easily trace it in case you have multiple adverts you have done in the past. So now copy it because we are still going to make use of that name in the second and third section. So immediately you are done titling it, click on next. So now paste in the name in this section too. So next, scroll down to the conversion. On conversion location, click on it and select Facebook page. Immediately you select Facebook page, it automatically converts to Facebook ads for followers. So now on the Facebook page, this is where you can also select the page you want to use. So I'm just going to make use of this page. So next, scroll down. On budget and schedule, if you are going to use daily budget or you are going to use lifetime budget, so this is where you can be able to select it. So I'm just going to change the budget to 2000 naira. So immediately you're done, scroll down to schedule. So now on the schedule, this is where you can be able to select the start date and the end date of your advert and also the time you want it to start. So I'm just going to select the date to 28 and select the time to 6 a.m. So next, click on the end date. So immediately click on it, select where you want the advert to end. Immediately you're done, scroll down to location. So now on the location, this is where you can be able to select a cheap Facebook advert. So what we are going to do, we are not going to select a single country, we are going to select worldwide. So worldwide will enable Facebook to show it to different people in different locations, and this will make your cost per followers to be cheap. On the location, click on edit. So just cancel the current location showing there because they will select your current location. So I'm just going to cancel the current location showing there. So click on browse. So once you click on browse, if you look here, you will see countries and you will see a box where you can tick. So immediately you tick on that box, you will see the option to select all. So once you select all, click on it. So now as you can see, it has selected worldwide. So worldwide means it will show your advert to people in different countries, which include India and other countries. So what you are going to do, if you want to only show your advert to those speaking English, you can also select it here. So next, scroll down. Under this place, you will see show more options. So click on show more options. So now this is where you can be able to select the age. You can only select from 18 upwards. So if you want to select from 20 years old upwards or from 30 years old upwards, you can select it. It depends on what you are advertising. So I'm just going to leave it on 18 years old. So now on the language, this is where you can be able to select those speaking English only so that all your followers can be English speaking countries. So now click on the edit and on language, type English. So here you can select UK English or US English. So I'm just going to select all. Immediately you are done, just click on the third option here. There are three categories. The first category, second category, which includes selecting your locations, while the third category is where you can put in your video, your title and other options there. So now the name we use in titling the advert, I'm just going to paste it again on the third category here. So next, scroll down. So this is where you can be able to see add media. Add media means you can add picture or you can use video. So you can either use picture or video, but the best in running Facebook advert is to use video because people respond faster to video when using it to advertise. I'm just going to select the video for the ads. On the select media, you can upload it from your system, or if you already have the video on the page, you can select on the account videos, you can select video URL or page videos. So I'm just going to upload it from the system. So I'm just going to click on the upload icon here. So now I've selected the video, so you wait for it to upload. So now the video has finished uploading, so I'm just going to click on done. So once you click on done, you give it some time to process the video. Once you process the video, so now as you can see, it has completed the process. So next, scroll down on the primary text. This is where you can be able to insert the title you want to use for the advert. I'm just going to copy out the title here. I already have the title on notepad, so I'm just going to paste in the title here. So now as you can see, the title is already there, and under where they put the page, you can see the like button. So once people click on this like button, they automatically follow the page. So next, we are going to add in our thumbnail and select the thumbnail from the video. So just click on edit video. Next, you will see where to insert your thumbnail. So I'm just going to select thumbnail. Next, select manual. Next, look for any catchy image on the video. So I'm just going to select this image here and click on save. So now as you can see, it has updated here and it's already here. So once you are done, just click on publish. So now immediately you click on publish, it will show you processing. After processing, it will show you in review, and after the review, after Facebook has reviewed your advert to make sure it follows the community standard, then your advert will become active. So from here, from this view icon here, you can be able to view the engagement and how many people have followed the page from the view icon here, or you can download meta ads on your smartphone and use your smartphone to view and check the insight and progress of the advert. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. My name is Ebenezer from Usa Studio. Thank you for watching this video.